really know what makes a great city work, you have to peel back its skin and expose its secret life force. A system of incredible complexity and technology that millions depend on, but few understand. A fantastic voyage now begins, a journey deep inside the world's mega cities. Once, it was the capital of the world's greatest empire. Today, London remains a crossroads of the world. Like most megacities, London was built on a river, but it survives because of 3 rivers. On water, on land, and in the air. To survive, London must keep all 3 streams flowing. Yet every minute, in all 3 dimensions, millions of people are on a collision course. To avert disaster, this megacity keeps a sleepless vigil. These are its sentinels. Cameras. Sensors. Radar. London is the most surveilled city on the planet. 24 hours a day, on land and river and in the sky, Big Brother is watching. Heathrow. Gateway to London. No airport on Earth does more with less. 1,400 flights a day. 63 million passengers a year. A control tower more than 55 years old. And the most daunting number of all, 2. Just 2 runways to handle almost 500,000 flights a year. The busiest international airspace in the world. Watching over this frenzy of flight are 100 pairs of eyes. The air traffic controllers. Among them, Adrian Dolan.
Just got a constant flow of traffic from 6 in the morning to 11 at night. You might think that with the number of aircraft that we handle every day, how on earth do we do it? How do we get all those aeroplanes in and out of the airport? It's actually extremely regimented.
With so little room to maneuver, the choreography and the timing must be perfect. With only 2 runways, Heathrow dedicates 1 to landings and 1 to takeoffs. At most airports, when 2 planes take off in the same direction, the margin of safety between them must be at least 2 minutes. For Heathrow, 2 minutes is too long. They're forced to follow a more complex pattern. By alternating takeoff directions, Heathrow closes the gap, and their performance is legendary. On a sunny day, once wheels leave the tarmac, the next plane follows as quickly as 45 seconds later. That gap is called the Heathrow Minute. The same precise planning controls landings. 30 miles out of Heathrow, inbounds are routed into 4 corkscrew holding patterns called stacks. Planes enter a stack around 15,000 feet. After a series of descending spirals, they exit at 7,000 feet. As one leaves, the rest descend 1 level, and a new plane enters the stack. 10 miles out, planes from all 4 stacks are vectored into a single line for landing. Inbounds glide past outbounds 1,000 feet apart in a synchronized dance, choreographed down to the second.
And that's what it's all about. It's all about maximum tuning all the way down to the very end, very fine tuning. So in that way we can pack as many aeroplanes into the landing runway as possible. So all we've got to do is just land them, vacate them, constant flow of traffic.
To orchestrate takeoffs and landings takes the tightest of choreography.